I've been curious about what's inside the SurviveX large first aid kit. Let's open it up and take a look. Pulling it out of the box here that it comes in. They make a couple of different sizes. This one is their large. Set that aside over here. First off, notice that it comes in a nylon pouch. Not your crinkly nylon that you expect to last a season or two, but pretty decent ripstop nylon. Looks like it has a panel on the back that it's clipped into, which means you can put this panel somewhere like a vehicle or on a large piece of gear or even on a wall or something. This can stay on here pretty good, but it also means it can be detached real easily. I like that. And then there's a place for the kit to go back. It's got metal D-rings at the top and full PALS type of system on the back. Alright, that's pretty neat. So, assuming we take the whole kit though, it looks like we've got one opening in the back here that opens up everything, and then we've got one zipper in the front. Let's do that one first. See if there's anything up front here. There's not, but I think a manual or a guide would fit perfect in there. Definitely gloves. Looks like it has a little Ranger eye flag on the front here, and a Velcro strip. The Velcro strip has slots behind it, so you could have shears or something there. I suspect this is reflective on the trimming and on the first aid kit. It's got a nice handle. I'm impressed with how well all the stitching is. Over on the side here, I see that this is designed to have a tourniquet and maybe a bandage, but probably just a tourniquet. Alright, so opening up, the zipper is easy to use. It has two zipper pulls, so it opens from both sides. Looks like it's designed for use. So we've got personal, we've got minor wounds as you first open it. Then we get into more stuff here. Gloves are in blue, hygiene is in blue, space blanket for shock, bandages are in black it looks like. There's color coding on both the trimming on the system itself and on the products. Lots of stuff that you might need, real easily accessible. A glow stick, actually a couple of them for light. Splint, tapes. Everything's in pouches with netting, so it's simple to see. And it does fold up pretty close without going through it completely. My first impressions are I'm very impressed. I could totally see this value for the price, and looks like you've got a little thank you there. Very cool setup. Lots of features that I didn't expect to see. Highly impressed. Hope this helps. Glad I bought this one.